Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Butterfly Spirit 314 and I'm back with another quick tip video, and this is going to be about vitamins today. So as you can see in front of you, I'm in the vitamin aisle of my local grocery store, and you guys see vitamin C, right? So there's all different types of vitamins that they have here. Okay, now when it comes to vitamins, most of us just think that vitamins are basically, they're just basically one different type of structure of vitamins. Most of us just think that, right? But actually, when it comes to vitamins, there's two types of vitamins, okay? Two classifications. There are fat-soluble vitamins and there are water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin C is going to be the water-soluble vitamin. So this is a vitamin that your body cannot store large amounts of this, okay? So you typically are going to get a lot of vitamin C from the fruits you eat, the vegetables you have, and things like that, okay? Most of the time people are just going to say, just have a couple of oranges and you'll have some vitamin C, right? Now, there are chances where you may have to have more vitamin C in your diet, specifically, like, let's say, if you're more prone to getting sick, or if you are already sick, right? Let's say you have a cold or flu or fever or whatever, then you would consume more vitamin C. Of course, what you want to do is make sure you talk to your physician, so that will be your doctor or your doctor's nurse or nurses, your nutritionist or your dietitian, to make sure that you are able to consume more than the average daily value. So as you see, this says 500 milligrams here, right? This says 250 milligrams, right? You have to check and make sure with your physician or your doctor that it's okay for you to consume X amount of vitamin C, okay? Because, vitamin C in large quantities may not be good for you. Or maybe you may be getting too little, so you may have to take more, right? So, you may need more or less of vitamin C, okay? So, as I was saying, vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. So, it just means that you need to take in a small amount of vitamin C over the course of days, okay? Now, let's talk about a fat-soluble vitamin, okay? So, if vitamin C is a water-soluble, let's talk about vitamin A. So, when I was at the store the other day, I didn't see any vitamin A, but I happened to find it, okay? So, this is a vitamin A vitamin, which is, I guess, very rare to see, okay? And with this particular vitamin, this is a fat-soluble vitamin. So this type of vitamin is going to be one that your body is going to store, right? So if you consume an excess amount of vitamin C, for example, vitamin A, for example, then what's going to happen is your body is just going to store it. But there is a such thing as having too much vitamin A, all right, in your diet. So you want to watch, just like with vitamin C, you want to watch how much vitamin A that you have in your diet as well. So any vitamin that you consume in excess, you want to watch, because there is a such thing as you being poisoned by vitamins. Just because they're, a supplement and good for your body doesn't mean that your body is not going to freak out if you have it, okay? Some people, if they take too many vitamins, they can get headaches, they can get nausea, vomiting, whatever, okay? So you have to be careful with anything that you consume, right? You have to be careful if you consume, herbs, minerals, supplements, vitamins, whatever. You have to be careful because, like they say, too much of a good thing is bad for you. Well, it can be. This is why, if for example, you have some type of illness or debility, or maybe let's say you're healthy, right? And you take vitamins, you want to make sure it's okay for you to take it, because you can be allergic to it, right? This is why you want to talk to your doctor, your nurse. You want to talk to your nutritionist or your dietitian, okay? Now, I think that pretty much wraps it up mostly. So vitamin C is going to be a water-soluble vitamin. So this is a vitamin that you would get by consuming foods over the course of several days. And this is how your body's going to take in vitamin C, okay? When it comes to vitamin A, this is a fat-soluble vitamin. So this is a vitamin that no matter how much of the vitamin A you take in, let's say you eat watermelons or cantaloupe right, and you consume that, your body is going to just take in the vitamin A. And even if you eat an excess amount of these fruits, your body is still going to go and store it, because it's going to store it for later, just in case you need it for something. Okay, so I just thought that I would go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit more about vitamins, and let you know that there is a such thing as vitamins having divisions. There are fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Just thought I would share this with you guys. Thanks.